A good advice is to stop thinking of AI as a kind of vending machine where you continuously ask for more ideas. For example, I have a problem, can you come up with some ideas for it? And then maybe it brings 4, 5, 10, 15 ideas and you look through them. No, they're not good enough. Do you have more? This kind of vending type of thinking with AI is not really effective, particularly not for creative thinking. We don't see a strong level of originality or diversity of ideas in those type of collaborations. Think about it more like how when you go to a bar with a friend and you sit there in the bar and you discuss maybe a problem at your workplace. So you wouldn't ask your friend the problem and ask for 10 or 15 different solutions for it. That would be awkward. No, instead the friend would maybe bring in one idea and that maybe not perfectly understand or spot on. So you would give some more information, you would make some limitations of how your organization works or your team, or there's somebody in your team who's like that, and then your friend can bring a new perspective and so forth. So it's a dialogue where you dig deeper and deeper into a particular perspective, and maybe you find out this is not a direction that has any inspirational thoughts or ideas. So we try another one and another one, different ideas to go deep into. We need to think about AI more as an equal partner in problem solving. It's not an add-on that's brought in the end of a meeting or maybe in the beginning to ask, do you have other perspectives? Most likely you'll find it doesn't have anything to bring in that you haven't thought about during the meeting yourself. So instead, it has to participate in the meeting. It has to understand what AI is missing. It's the context-specific understanding of your team or your customers or your work processes. So it has to listen in when you talk about the problem. It has to be part of your brainstorm. It has to hear everything you say, all the thoughts and worries you have. That way, it can bring in far better and more suitable and valuable original solutions for your kind of problems. Don't think it as an add-on because it doesn't have the context specific. You have that. It has all the knowledge in the world. When you bring those two together, you can get a much better collaboration with AI.